Hey guys, we're going to be doing top cable oblique twist. You're going to want to find an attachment, a single attachment like this. Cable machine, and go ahead and attach. Make sure this is starting at the top. The apparatus starts at the top. Put on a weight you can do properly with good form. Okay, arms straight out. You're going to reach to the floor here, diagonally. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3. Make sure everything is tight, okay? Not moving anything besides your arms. You're just twisting here. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. You're really trying to squeeze your obliques here. Same on this side. Down. 1, 2, 3. To the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So oblique twist from the top.